So for this next piece, we're going to do silver fumed, wrapped in some, garnet, I think. I don't know, pretty striking red, whatever it is. Ruby, it's ruby, that's right. Okay, so, again, we start by taking a little nubbin off. If that is just too much nubbin. And heat it up so we can do it with silver. Silver makes for an interesting fume. If you apply it gently, you get gorgeous blues when you're done. If you beat it up, fume it real hard, you can get some real interesting whites too. Sometimes I like to combine the two effects, in fact. But this time we're really just kind of going for the blue. So we give it a nice solid layer. And we cook it in just like we did with the gold. Use this moment to straighten my blank out here. Now, I'm not really going to go for an even wrap when I do this. I kind of like the chaotic look a lot of the time. So that makes the wrap an entirely different sort of a technique from doing a consistent spiral. Make sure to keep the piece you're working on nice and hot so the colored glass will actually stick to it. You get a nice melty lump on the end of the stick. Stick it on the end, spin it around. This gives us a nice chaotic wrap, which I like chaos. I like the fact that it's not even and metered and perfect. I'm sure in one of my later videos I'll demonstrate how to do an actual like an even wrap, an even spiral, which is completely different from what I just did, but not today. We melt the color in real good. We're going to melt it in so it's basically smooth. A little bit of lumpy can blow out when we blow the actual bubble out, but results vary depending on the color of the glass, so it's always best to just melt it all the way in. Be careful not to blow the fuming off, because that's less of a concern with the silver I found than it is with the gold. And again, when it starts getting too soft, starts flopping around, take it out for a minute and let it cool off enough that it stops doing that. Now this particular red won't strike back to red in the flame. It's only going to do it in the kiln. So it's just going to look clear for the purposes of this demonstration. Now that we've got it all melted in and nice and hot, time to blow it out. You want your Christmas ornaments to be nice and thin, generally speaking, because a small tree branch isn't really going to hold much weight. Bear in mind that it makes these super delicate, so treat them accordingly. There we go. Sadly, you can't see the red until it strikes in the kiln, but you get the idea. Making basic spherical Christmas ornaments is super easy. So take what you learn and make it your own. Do what you're going to do with it. There's all kinds of fun stuff to do with it. These ones are just very basic, very simple. People love them, but they're simple. Anyway, have fun.